Hello, my room of werewolves. This is 7 for 5 here. Welcome back to another video. And what is this place located?
Oh, where's it located?
Yeah, like, this place is called, like, actual called. Yeah, maybe people can come and help with this. Yeah, I'm with lots of cats. Grove City area. Rescue, like, yeah. Here's the card, you guys. Yeah, I always go in my intros a lot with what I do. Ugh. I do lots of YouTube videos on YouTube for my channel. Usually I only do, like, play games on there, but I like doing vlogs sometimes. Here's these kitties, too. Here's the names. I'm doing a YouTube video for helping out, too. Hi, guys. This one is a little special kitty. She has a clap. Oh, this dog is not... It's not part of this, but, yeah. Really. Coop. Pop, whatever. One of the cats likes to get on your back when you're in the cage. Hi, you. Hi. Well, sorry for scaring you guys. Sorry. One minute. Okay, sorry that it went blurry. Sorry, guys. Here's this cutie. Huh. You're a cutie kitty. And here's this precious little girl. I think this is the... Yeah. What? Oh, 1 minute, you guys. Are you sure? Hey, Jessica, I asked them if I could do a YouTube video for this. What? The, litters? No, I already did it. Here's these cuties. Stay. Yes, I'm coming in. Hi, guys. Wow. Oh! Are you alright? Yeah. There's a cat named Squirt somewhere. I don't know where he is, but yeah. Yeah, some of these cats have names. Huh. They're a pretty kitty. Ow. Yeah, they are. Oh, no. Get back in here. Get back in here. The door opened by itself. No. I guess you were the one who opened the gate. Stop it. The cats are opening the cages now. You got a problem. 4 minutes into the video already. Where's the other one? Oh, I see. Stay. Stay, kitty. Hey! No. I got. I know. I saw where she went. What's the cat's name? Pepsi. Yeah, kitty. Pepsi. Sorry about the lighting.
I'll get him, honey. That's okay.
Pepsi? I see another cat back in there. Oh, hi! Hi, beautiful kitties. Back in there. Oh, I better turn off the flash now.
I know.
Pepsi.
Well, I'm sure they're probably the landlord's probably going to be suing
Pepsi.
them. That's okay. I'll get him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, he'll come out.
I'm doing a video for you guys.
Oh, okay.
Help. I have my own YouTube channel, Sally 1 for 5.
Oh, that's nice.
Help out. Hey. Hey, Logan. They're sweet. These are sweet kitties. This has a clef. He's different than the other kitties. She was born with it, you guys. Aw. You're a special type one, because you're different. So them. I never met the one. Hi, you. There's one right over there. Hi. I didn't see you last time here. Last time I came here. Hi. Hi, sweet kitty. I didn't see you last time I was in here. Was here. Yeah, that's one of the cats I didn't see last time I was here. You like to follow me, don't you? Sweet kitty. Oh. Hi, you. You big fluff ball. Hi. These cats are very sweet, guys. Can't tell you that now. No matter what. To death. Yeah, I didn't see the one with the orange right here before. I didn't see that one for
I
a
wish I knew who that.
The one was over this way. Yeah. Right there?
Oh, that one, the gray one's called Fred.
Yeah. What? Oh, yeah, I saw her last time. Yeah, but I didn't see that one for last time, but I saw her.
Fred likes to just sit there. She's back there.
Yeah, she
And
was.
the dog's over here torturing.
Oh, Pepsi. Here, Peps. Pepsi. 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 Here. Pepsi. Hey. Ugh. I give up. Well, I give up on that cat now. I forgot to do that. I will do that. I was about to. Okay? Okay. Here's these kitties.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Grab it. Grab it, Sam.
I was trying.
Oh, no.
Yeah, some of these stories are really hard, too.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Years ago.
I'm just gonna put you guys flat.
I said, this house was
Hi, kitty kitty.
Yeah. You might not be allowed to buy anything.
There's already 11 minutes into the video. That's not bad.
There you go. There you go. Right.
Amber.
What?
Here.
Water?
Yep.
Sammy, you didn't wipe that out.
I did try.
Okay.
Jeez.
Didn't look like it. I was wondering. Pat, pat.
Okay, what other one I didn't get to yet? Sorry, guys. Oh, jeez. Blur. Hi, you. Hi, sweet kitty. Ugh. I'm trying, coming in. Hi. Here's these sweet kitties. Especially this one. Huh. These are sweet. Here's this one. You guys will never. Well, they said I could put the bed over there where the. Let's put. One thing, you guys. It's hard. Hi. I'm just gonna do it from here. Here's these guys.
Jealous. That steak.